Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm going to explain what is the stage 6 of the design thinking methodology, which is implement. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is a stage of insertion. It got the following characteristics. It is the last stage or phase in the design thinking methodology. It aims to put into use and commercialization in real context the product, service, or business model that was developed with the project methodology. This phase measures the degree of acceptance that the user has for their proposal development in the project through its purchase, use, interaction, or appropriation. The implementation phase allows to measure the degree of relevance that the project had and if its response really solved the problem that is being worked on, and the degree of ownership that was developed for the user. It's very important to watch the previous videos, What is Design Thinking, where we explain what is the design thinking methodology. Also watch the videos of phase 1 empathy, phase 2 define, phase 3 ideate, phase 4 prototype, and phase 5 which is test. The most representative tools in this stage are marketing plan, strategy of communication, advertising campaign, but we got more than 10 tools that can allow you to implement your project. Okay, so when we are talking about implementation, we are talking about insertion. This means that in this stage, we will be focused on the user appropriation of the product, service, or business model. It will also improve or fix the situation that you have been working on. And it's also very important to remember that implement means sell or market a product or service. Sometimes even participation, because not always we are selling. This project could be measured by the participation that they have. Always remember that the proposal and the tool that you choose, it has to be focused on the experience of the user. So it's very important to understand, depending of the project or service that you are developing, which is the best tool that you are using. If you want to develop, you can use a marketing plan, you can use a strategy of communication, or also an advertising campaign. And it's really important to understand that the success of a project is measured depending of what do you want to achieve at the beginning in the empathy phase, because here you can sell, you can market, or you can make the participation of the user in a situation or service that you are developing. That is very important, so you know when and how are you be focused all your efforts. So it's very important. If people don't participate, if the product or service doesn't sell, or if the people don't understand what you are doing, that's when we have a problem. So that's why the implementation stage is really important, so your project is successful. Always remember that the development that you are making, it has to improve the life of the target group that you are working on. It always has to be user-centered. It means work on their needs. And also remember that the application and the real context is always very important. As a conclusion, we can say that at the end of the project, with the design thinking methodology, the problem that was being worked on should be improved or solved. Not always you will have 100% solution, but it's very important that at least you begin. So if you are working with a situation, it's really important that you at least can fix it a little bit. Whatever the outcome of the project is, a product, a service, of a business model, it should be improve the user's life, recognize their social and cultural context, it should be appropriate for the same user and improve their life. The key in the development of this final phase is to sell, market, or guarantee the participation of the user in the outcome of the project. That is really important. If you can make one of these three, it means that the project that you are making is successful. Thank you very much. I hope this video will be a big help in the development of your project. Remember, every Monday we have a new video in Spanish. Every Thursday we have a new video in English. In our social media, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, we have new developments every day. So if you want to check it out, go ahead. Please, thank you so much for everything. Subscribe to our channel Design Thinking 24/7. Thank you to all of you. We are the number one channel in design thinking in the whole YouTube universe. So thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.